Hello everyone, in this video we see how we can construct a graph of y is equal to sine 3x and y is equal to 3 sine x. One thing you should note that these two are very different function because 3 is right with x but in second case 3 is outside of sine x. So to make a graph of y is equal to sine 3x or y is equal to 3 sine x, firstly you should know about graph of y is equal to sine x, and with the help of that graph you can construct these two graphs very easily. So let's firstly make a graph of y is equal to sine x. So this is the graph of y is equal to sine x. So I write here y is equal to, so this is a graph of y is equal to sine x. But the thing is I want to construct a graph of y is equal to 3 sine x. Here is 3. So graph should be make similar, but one thing will be changed. That thing is changed that you just divide domain side by 3. For example, here is pi, this is x-axis, and x-axis is called domain of function, and you just divide by 3, divided by 3, and divided by 3, divided by 3, and 3 here are cancel out. And similarly this side minus pi by 3, and here 3, and here divided by 3, and these again cancel out. What remain left, that is minus pi. So this is the graph of y is equal to sine 3x. Firstly I make a graph of y is equal to sine x, then divided by 3 on domain side, that is x, that is root of the function. Here is pi, then I divided by 3. Here is minus pi, I divided by 3, and here is 2 pi, then I again divided by 3, just like that. So this is very easy. If you know the how to construct a graph of y is equal to sine x, then you can construct easily graph of y is equal to sine 3x. Now another graph is y is equal to 3 sine x. Again, to make that graph, firstly I rub these things so that you can understand very easily way. Okay, so as we know, this is a graph of y is equal to sine x. Okay, now my aim is I want to construct a graph of y is equal to 3 sine x. Okay, to make this graph, now you, in our initial case, that is our first case, we just divide 3 on our domain side, that is x side, because it is attached with x. So now in case of y is equal to 3 sine x, now 3 is attached with whole function sine 3x. Now to graph is same, just you change the one thing, just change its range and multiply by 3, multiply by 3. And if you multiply by these 3, it will become 3 multiplied by 1 is 3, and 3 multiplied by minus 1 is minus 3. So it means that range of these function, which function y is equal to 3 sin x, would be minus 3 to 3. Okay, I now recapitulate again. If I want to construct a graph of y is equal to sine 3x, just divided by 3 in this domain side, which is the root of function. And in case of 3 is outside of 3 is outside here, you just multiply, not divide, multiply on its range side. Range side is y, and just multiply by 3. Suppose here is our 4, then you multiply with 4 and 4. So question will change accordingly. I hope you understand this thing. So thank you very much. If you